When we face the troughs and difficulties of life, darkness and loneliness often permeate in our hearts. But in the depths, there is hidden light and power that we have not found ourselves. Buddhist wisdom teaches us that by exercising the mind and spiritual nourishment, we can find the light in the heart and make life full of guidance and warmth. When the heart is deep in darkness, what we need is a guiding light. The pain and challenges in life are the necessary levels for everyone to grow up. By facing and understanding these difficulties, we can find our true self, liberate our inner light, and then get out of the predicament. Each of us has a lighthouse in our hearts, which is the source of love and hope. Looking at the world with the eyes of love and compassion can make us find peace in our difficulties. Compassion is the starting point of all wisdom. It can resolve anger and hatred, and bring inner healing and rebirth. There are often many moments in our lives that we can't breathe. These moments are an opportunity for us to re-examine ourselves and the world. When we deal with difficulties with love, we not only dispel our inner resentment, but also bring a trace of harmony to the world. No matter how difficult the situation is, as long as there is love in our hearts, we can resolve all the pain. Love is like a healing medicine, which can comfort and calm our hearts, and finally go to the light. Compassion is another good way to heal the soul. Treat yourself and others with compassion in the face of difficulties in life. In the face of pain, we should learn to forgive ourselves and let the inner compassion shine on all living creatures. When we dissolve resentment with compassion, it can not only relieve the pain of the heart, but also bring comfort and strength to the people around us. Compassion is a kind of wisdom that can guide us through the darkest moments and finally to the light and calm. Darkness and dilemma are part of life, which are all opportunities for our souls to grow. At every moment of low tide, we should face it bravely and find the power hidden in our hearts through inner exercise and reflection. The first step to heal the mind is to know yourself, understand your weaknesses, and accept them. When we can treat ourselves tolerantly, the inner pain will gradually dissipate. Tolerance is not only tolerance for others, but also forgiveness for one's own heart. Tolerance can bring calm and tranquility. When we can forgive ourselves and others, the pain and resentment of the past will also disappear. Tolerance is a great wisdom, which can lift the shackles of the mind and let us face life freely. To heal the soul, we need to face the past bravely and accept reality with a tolerant mentality, so as to welcome a brighter future. No matter how difficult the situation is, Buddhist wisdom can always bring us hope and guidance. Through the power of love, compassion, and tolerance, we can heal the heart and find the inner light. May these wisdoms help you get out of the pain and move towards a bright future. May there always be light in your heart, tolerance and love be with you.